What's up, guys? We're back at the creek, or we're back here again today. I set out a line. And guess what we caught? We caught a perch on this line. And they're starting to bite today like crazy on a big old thing. Here's our first fish of the day. Throwing back. Whoa, way over there. Let's throw this guy back. I don't want to hurt him. It's just, dang, they're biting everywhere today. Okay, he's good. Let's go fish over here. Got a little piece of our stuff here. Let's see what happens if we throw it right there. See what's across the bridge. Oh, I lost it. Lost my bait. I'm using a treble hook. It's a very small one. So I'm trying to catch gar, like any kind of species today in this creek. There's an alligator right there. Oh no, that's a turtle. He looks just like an alligator. Wow. Dang. That's Sun. He looks just like an alligator. Is he gonna eat it? He's eating it. Oh, I took it right off. Let's see if he just eats the hook. Oh, he's trying to eat the hook. He's eating the hook by itself. And I don't want to catch a turtle today, though. Got a hook right here. Using this, worms. Try to catch some big old catfish and stuff. There's this one. Get him started to go right there. Hope you don't catch another bluegill. Man, there's that turtle eating it. Got him. Got the turtle. I don't want you to get hung up in there. Oh, my drag. I don't want to hurt him. So I built something. Okay, hey guys. I built this, how to catch fish. Like, instead of buying one, just make it out of string. If you break your net, I just did this and tied it on something. And do this. Bring it out more out there. Hope it's enough string. Oh yeah, that's enough string. There we go. And then now, just hand me the pole on. We're gonna get this. Oh, that's how you get a turtle with this. That's how you get a turtle. Oh, sorry about that if I hit him or something. That's how you catch a turtle. Oh, he already popped off. There he goes. Get off.
That's a long ways down.
I don't want to get scratched, man. Cut it off. Can you pause it? There he is. Oh shoot, I didn't mean that to happen. Well, we're gonna catch some more out here. There's another turtle over there. Piece of nugget. Put it right there. Smush it all together. Little baby quirk. I don't know what kind of turtle that is. I think it's a soft shell turtle. Yeah, that's a soft shell turtle. I'm about to lose my bait. Here we go. Right next to him. Man, he's not even wanting it. I want to get hung up on the bridge. I got to throw it right in front of him. Dang. There it is, soft shell turtle. He's looking at it. This is the, if I catch him, he'll be my first one. Oh, he don't even want it. There he goes. He's going for it. He stopped. There he goes again. He's eating it. He's eating it. Got him. Oh, he's light. I could pull him up. Got one. There we go. Got one. There we go. Soft shell turtle. I don't want to hurt this guy because I want to throw him back. Hey, it's okay. Stop freaking out. He went underneath the car. He's right there. I'm just going to leave him and let him go. There's a turtle right there. Nothing else to catch. Let's throw it right next to him. Oh, he ran off. I mean, swam off. There's a gar right there. Bit it.
He's tight in his mouth.
I don't know if I should jerk.
Yeah.
He's got to swallow it.
He'll never swallow that.
Yeah, he never swallowed it.
He let go.